Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to link your Cash App account to your Fidelity account. First, you need to get your Fidelity account information. Open your Fidelity app or go to the Fidelity website. Log into your account and navigate to the section labeled Account Details. Here, you will find your routing number and your account number. Make sure you copy these numbers correctly because you will need them in the next steps. Now, open your Cash App on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top corner of the screen. From there, scroll down and select the option called Linked Banks. This is where you can connect a new bank account. Next, tap on Link Bank. If you do not see Fidelity listed as an option, choose the option to add a bank manually. Cash App may prompt you to search for your bank, but you can skip that and enter your details yourself. Carefully type in your Fidelity routing number and account number. Double-check everything before moving forward to avoid any errors. After entering your details, Cash App will try to verify your account. Once verification is complete, your accounts will be linked and ready to use. Thanks for watching.